Hello, my name is Jeanette. We're at Morrie's Minnetonka Subaru, and today I'm going to be showing you some of the features of your vehicle. Another one of the features I'd like to show you that your vehicle offers you on your entertainment screen here is your shortcut icon. We've discussed the apps that you have available, which are displayed here, and we went into TravelLink in the past. I'm going to show you how you're able to go into shortcuts and add one of those to your home screen here. The home screen has a few other pages available which are empty at this time. So you're able to add shortcuts and fill in icons of your choice for those slots. When I come into the shortcuts, these are your categories that are available, and I'm going to click on apps since we've been in there in the past. When I scroll down, here's some of the choices of the apps that we do have available, and one of them was the TravelLink. And they do have it broken down to where you can choose the fuel, sports, stocks, or weather. I'm going to choose to add the weather to our home screen. And now, as you can see, I have just added TravelLink weather to our home screen as an icon to access. At this point, I would just tap on it, and then we're immediately there. Another thing about these shortcuts, you are able to take them, and we can move them or delete them. And you can also drag to delete. Again, another feature that your vehicle offers that I hope you'll use and enjoy.